Hi everybody, this is Lexi from RoamLab, and today we are installing a Warn front bumper on our 2015 Ram 3500 truck. This bumper is a huge upgrade for our adventure mobile. It is designed for overland rigs and with recovery tasks in mind, exactly what we've been needing. So let's get started. Before we can install our new front bumper, we first need to remove the factory grill and bumper. Fortunately, I already made some videos about these steps that are linked in the description, so give those a watch before continuing with this video. While installing the Warn front bumper is straightforward, mounting the bumper is a two-person project. Be sure to have a buddy to help with the heavy lifting and hold the bumper in place while you secure it. First, install the frame brackets to the truck frame. Finger tighten 4 bolts, nuts, and washers to keep each bracket loosely in place. Second, install the bumper mounting brackets to the frame brackets. Secure in place by finger tightening another 4 sets of nuts, bolts, and washers. Position the Warn Ascent bumper on the bumper mounting brackets. Bolt in place with 6 sets of nuts, bolts, and screws. Now that everything is in place, use a torque wrench to tighten all the nuts and bolts. I held the bumper in place while Chris tightened the bolts to ensure that everything came together as desired. With the bumper secured, trim the inner fender flap to better match the new silhouette of the Warn bumper. Install the skid plate below the bumper with 7 nuts and bolts. Now we move on to the lighting brackets. The Warn Ascent bumper does not come with lights, but it has a built-in bracket to accept 2 standard 3-inch pod lights on each side. So we'll cover the lighting in a separate post. The light port sits on the outside of the bumper and is bolted to the light port brackets on the other side of the bumper. For these to hold the bolt, slide the U-spring bolts around the light port bracket holes. Then use the remaining U-spring bolts to secure the upper and lower bolt holes on the bumper's light port opening. Now we can bolt the light port into the bumper. The final 4 bolts on the left and right sides of the light port will secure the light port brackets held inside the bumper. Finally, we can plug any unused holes with the supplied hole plugs. With the bumper securely mounted, we can also reattach the grille. And there we go! I tried to keep this video simple, but you can find more written directions with pictures and extra annotations on our website, roamlab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to RoamLab for future DIY truck camper renovation projects.